Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to show all folders in the File Explorer navigation pane in Windows 11. By default, Windows hides some system folders in the left navigation pane, but if you want quick access to everything like control panel, recycle bin, user folders and other locations, you can enable the show all folders option. So let's get started. First you need to open this one File Explorer. For that you can press Windows plus E key on the keyboard. Alternatively, you can click on the start button and click here File Explorer. This will also open File Explorer. Now click on the triple dot menu that says see more. Click on this one icon. After that, select options. Under folder options, switch to this one view tab. Now scroll down to the bottom. You will find navigation pane. Here check this one option that says show all folders. Click on the apply button, then click on the OK button. Now look at the navigation pane on the left side of the File Explorer. You will notice additional folders and locations are now visible, including system related entries that were previously hidden. This gives you quicker access to more parts of your system directly from the navigation pane. Now if you ever want to turn this off, simply repeat the same steps and uncheck show all folders. Enabling this option is especially useful if you frequently access different system folders and want everything visible in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.